Hi everybody. Today I got the Ipsy bag for February 2021. Also, right now at Macy's, you can get a gift bag, a Lancome gift bag with any $37 Lancome purchase. There are two different options, and I'll show you the one that I got after we do the Ipsy, okay? Alright. I did get an add-on because I couldn't pass this up. It was this set of 5 satin scrunchies from Kitsch. This was only $3. I bought this before from Ulta, and I think it was 8 or more. I don't remember. But Ipsy had them for only $3. And these are very nice. I share them with my daughter. We both like them. And now on to the rest of the bag. And this bag is really beautiful. It's like an envelope, and then on the front it says sealed with a kiss. That's so cute. Okay, first thing from Farrah brushes. This is a foundation brush, and it says flat foundation 615F. Okay, that's nice. It's a nice flat foundation brush. Flat top. Alright. I really love this bag. It's so cute. And we have a card. It says Celebrate Black History Month by Black. And it says signed, sealed, delivered. These 5 Glam Bag products valued at $50 or more are all yours. So here's the card with the items. And this is the item that I chose, I believe. Yeah. It's called Haruka Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Okay, say that 5 times. And it says this gentle toner helps condition and moisturize your skin while protecting it from free radicals, pollution, and blue light. Supposed to put it on your face after you have washed your face. So that was the item that I picked. And then next we have, from Ahava, Dead Sea Osmoter Concentrate Supreme Hydration Cream. This is also a blue light defender, which is perfect when you sit in front of a computer a lot, like I do. And then next is from Foxy Bay. It's a daily leave-in hair mask. It says 12-in-1 magic. Okay. I like trying new hair products. And then the last thing is from Latte London. This is a Ready Set Go setting powder. It's a nice amount in there to be a sample. Okay, so yeah, alright. So 5 products. Latte powder, Foxy Bay leave-in hair mask. I have a Dead Sea Osmoter face concentrate, and the Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Oh, and also the Farrah brush, flat top foundation brush. In the gorgeous bag with the lips on it. This is so cute. Okay, now on to the Lancome gift with purchase that I got from Macy's. There were 2 choices. You even had a choice of bag. You could get either with or without print on it. And I chose the one with the print because I like that. Look at that. This beautiful rose gold bag with the rose gold arrow on it. That's really pretty. Okay. And it opens up like that. Good size too. And they had one where you could get Renogy Lift skincare and a blush, lip gloss. It was a different cleanser, but every bag got this sample of Genevieve. Alrighty. They have these in the store too. I just happened to order mine online. But I got the Creme Mousse Comfort facial cleanser. I've used that before several times. I like it. And this time they had a day cream and a night cream. Well, you don't often get a day and night duo, so I was happy about that. And the one I chose was the Absolute Premium. Okay. And every bag has a sample of Genevieve, which I do use all the time. I have full-size bottles of this and small ones. I use it every day. And then the lipstick that came with this bag is called Color Design All Done Up Cream, number 340. So let's see what this looks like. There's the color. Let me swatch it on my hand. Oh. It's a beautiful rosy pink. That's nice. That is a color that I will wear. And the final item, this should be an eyeshadow palette. The other one came with a blush, the other choice. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Beautiful little eyeshadow palette. I'm glad I chose this one. So I got this little eyeshadow palette, some Genevieve, a beautiful lipstick, a good sized sample of facial wash, and half-ounce samples of Absolute Day Cream and Night Cream. Plus the pretty bag. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the Lancome 7-piece gift for purchase and in my Ipsy bag for February 2021. Thank you for watching. Bye.